So you would love to get your hands on an Alfa Romeo Carabo, but that's not possible as a concept car? Well, we found the next best thing. Welcome to Cory Turner Talks Cars. I'm in a different location today. We're kind of moving the studio around, so we're shooting it from here. Sorry, there's no Hot Wheels in the background, but we'll get that fixed soon. As always, on this show, we love to talk about exotic cars and supercars and regular cars and kit cars and everything in between. And we love to let you know when we found some cool cars that are for sale. And today, we found one of those. We found a really cool car that's for sale. So I thought I would talk to you about it. And it is a kit car. It is listed, I saw it on Facebook Marketplace, as a 1976 Alfa Romeo AZTEC 7. Okay, so Alfa Romeo didn't make an AZTEC 7. What is that? Well, of course, that's Fiberfab made the AZTEC 7. And it really is based off of the Alfa Romeo Carabo, which was a really cool concept car. And so the AZTEC 7 carries a lot of those same lines, and I think it's a great car. So I wanted to tell you about it and tell you what I saw. Here's what they say about this one. This one has been driven 22,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission. Exterior is red. Interior is black. Fuel type, of course, is gasoline. It's had 2 owners, and they say the car is paid off. They say that this is a 1978 AZTEC 7 kit car. That's what they say description here. The listing shows 1976. It's a Mustang 6-cylinder running, needs new or rebuilt clutch. Body is in great shape, needs TLC, barnyard fine, stored for 20 years, and they say it would make an excellent project. Let's talk a little bit about the AZTEC 7 for sure. Let's tell you what, I've got a cool picture here is this advertisement. So let's zoom in here. I'm going to read some of you at this. So this was the AZTEC 7. The only thing more striking is the price. All right, it says the dynamic alternative to the expensive sports and imports. The AZTEC 7 also features a striking, more affordable price tag. On the surface, it sports strong European styling, gold wing doors, louvered rear deck, and a rust-proof fiberglass body. And underneath, the AZTEC 7 uses the efficient VW engine, right, that can deliver 40 miles per gallon, or opt for a high-powered engine adaptation like a turbocharged V6. The AZTEC 7 is available in complete component package, or have one custom built to your specifications. Use the coupon for details. So it's got some information there. There's an old ad for an AZTEC 7. I can just see this in the back of some really cool car magazines back in the day, maybe even some comic books. They would have probably found me there too if they had done that. But anyway, so that's a really cool car. Now they're asking $5,000 for this one. It does say several times in the description it needs some TLC, so it's going to need some attention to get it back and running. But at $5,000, got a running car, just needs a clutch. It's really not that far off. It's in Chino Hills, California. If you have a cool kit car that's for sale, or you know of one, or you see one, be sure to send it our way. If you have built a kit car, you've put one together, we want to highlight it here on the show. I get emails every day from people that have some really cool cars. All you need to do is send me tons of pictures, but send me a description. Let me know the story of the car. We want to tell the story of the car, what it was like when it got into your possession, or did you start from scratch and build the whole thing yourself? We love telling those stories, so be sure to let us know. Remember to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and tell your friends about us. Let's talk about cars tomorrow.